Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Soundpeats S5 with Android smartphone. And to do this you need to open your Bluetooth on your phone. You can access it through notification bar like I just made, or go through the settings. Right here make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled and you can move on to your earbuds. Now remove them from the case, and right now they should be visible in available devices. You might need to refresh the page, and here we have them. In case you can't find them right here, you might need to put them back in a case. Now make sure that they are charging. You can see the charging indicator right here, and then hold the buttons, this one and this one, until both of the LED lamps above my fingers starts flashing in a blue, white and red light. Just like that. Now we can let go of the buttons, remove both of the earbuds from the case again, refresh the page, and you should see them right now. Click on it, then click on pair, and your device is connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.